Brilliant. Thank you very much, mate.
Yeah.
Thank you. Most important one is one for the dog. No,
I ordered.
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy.
Cheers, lad. Thank you.
Coniston Water, located in the Lake District, Cumbria, is the third largest lake in the region, stretching about 5 miles long and half a mile wide. Formed by glacial activity during the last ice age, it lies beneath the Old Man of Coniston, a peak long associated with copper mining. In medieval times, the lake supported fishing and farming communities, while the surrounding fells supplied slate and copper for local industry. During the 19th century, Coniston became a hub for tourism and inspiration for writers and artists. John Ruskin, the renowned critic and social thinker, lived at Brantwood on the eastern shore from 1871 until his death in 1900, leaving a lasting cultural legacy. The lake also influenced literature, most famously appearing as Octopus Lagoon in Arthur Ransom's classic children's book Swallows and Amazons. Coniston Water is equally known for feats of speed. In the mid-20th century, Donald Campbell set several world water speed records there, tragically losing his life in 1967 while attempting to exceed 300 miles per hour in his craft Bluebird K7. His remains and the recovered boat were laid to rest in Coniston Village decades later. Today, Coniston Water is cherished for sailing, rowing and walking, attracting visitors who seek both its natural beauty and its layered history of industry, art and adventure.